Max, are you trying to play with the puppies? Are you gonna play with the puppies? Hi, puppies! I think Max wants to play with you. Go play with Max. Go play with Max. Come on. Look, Max wants to play. You silly kitty. Come on, Squirt. Come on, baby. What are you doing? Hi, Socks. There comes the kitten. Hey, Socks. You gonna come play with the puppies? You gonna get Squirt? Come here, Squirt. Hey, Max. Arr. 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 Ow! 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 That hurts! That hurts! That hurts! What, Buster? What are you barking at? They're not paying attention to you?
Oh. Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Don't put that on.
Come here. Hi, Ivan. Hi, Ivan. Hey, baby girl. Yeah, your puppies. Your puppies. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Puppies out. Puppies biting. Ow, 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 ow. Go play with Max. Squirt. Come here, Squirt. Max, Squirt will play with you. Hey, Squirt. You gonna play with the puppies? Aw, nothing cuter than puppies and kittens. You go get her. Go get her. Go get her. Buster gonna go play with her. That's it. Get down so she's not afraid of you. Good, Buster. Squirt. No, you scared her off. She's leaving now. You barked too loud. No, Ivan's gonna go get her now. What are you doing, Socks? Say, I need a home. Hey, Sheena. All my babies playing and being good together.